So we had to rescue our plants from outside, but they're looking pretty good. That's a weed. But I'm going to remove the ones that are in good enough shape to transport. Oh, there's a little bug. So these are the outdoor plants that sat from our seed project. This is my first successful chestnut. I'm going to call him Chester. And I'm also going to take off these suckers on the side and plant them as well. So, Chelsea and Chester. This is the Italian plum. I'm not sure, I think this is from the tree we have outside. I dropped the seed in here. But bam, look at all these beautiful chestnuts and hazelnuts. This is an involuntary plant. I just looked up the leaves and it says it's black mulberry, which actually grow around Brooklyn, and I'm gonna go ahead and keep it. I'm allergic to cluster berries, mulberry, raspberry, all those, and but I'm gonna give it away. I'll have to wait until this involuntary gets a little older. Right now I can't really tell if it's moringa, huckleberry, or I think it's called a Sinia. It could also be a black locust. I can't believe y'all let me repot these last night and forget to water them. Y'all should have said something. Y'all just sitting there watching. So I mentioned all the pots were in the hallway because we're redoing the back. So you can see everything's doing good back here. I can pull that out, pull that out, pull that out. Those are involuntaries. There's a ton more in there that have to go. But everything else looks really awesome. These pepper plants aren't doing so well. They were transplanted, and my neighbor thinks that their roots are just total trash and aren't spreading out, which is why they're dying off. They've been watered just like all the other plants, but they're not taking off. Look how fast this was done. So the whole backyard is getting stripped, and they're going to redo it with pavement, so hopefully that'll also help with gardening. That's all I have for you folks this time, but